Okay, so here's our mise en place for our taco salad with pineapple salsa. I have everything chopped up. I have the red onions, red bell pepper, the pineapple, and the jalapeno chopped up for our salsa. Here's our minced garlic and red onion for the actual taco salad. Here are soaked pecans. I know it said walnuts, but I'm at my sister's house, she didn't have any, so I'm using pecans. Sun-dried tomatoes that are chopped, and Roma tomatoes that are chopped and drained. I just scooped out the seeds and just chopped the actual tomatoes. And then here's some cilantro that is chopped up as well. So we're good to go. So the next thing we're going to do is chop up our pecans in this case until it looks like a ground meat texture. That's the remaining nuts there. And that's all of the nuts that have been now chopped up to be our actual quote unquote taco meat. Now we begin our water saute. So I just added some water to a pan, and I'm going to add in our chopped red onion and give that a stir. If you choose to use oil, you can, but you don't really need to. Just go ahead and water saute your veggies. Give it a quick stir until it's translucent before we add in our remaining ingredients. Here I have the chopped garlic, and I'm going to just stir that around until it's fragrant. Now we're adding in our chopped sun-dried tomatoes. Now this ingredient is really crucial. It provides the umami that you would get from like an actual meat. It is critical and it's really high in iron and lots of good minerals. You should definitely add this. So you just give it a great stir with the garlic and the onion. And again, when you're water sauteing, if things get a little bit sticky, just add a little bit of fluid just to keep things loose. And that's it. Now I'm just going to add in a taco seasoning pack. At my sister's house, she had like the old El Paso taco kits. So you can use that, or you can buy taco seasoning. You can make your own taco seasoning, whatever you prefer. But we added at that time. And then because the pan was getting a little bit dry, just add a little splash of water just to keep things moving and to really thoroughly incorporate the spices. Now we're adding in our blended nuts. In this case, they're pecans. In your case, it may be walnuts. And if you do have a nut aversion, you can do this definitely with sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds as well. It's actually quite delicious. And you're going to give us a great stir, and it will come together, start to look like a ground meat type of texture. And now we're going to add in our soy sauce. And at this point, you want to be tasting for seasoning. So if you feel like it needs more soy sauce than what the recipe calls for, make those adjustments, or less or whatever. But taste, add a tablespoon, taste, and see if you need more or less so that it's just how you like it. Now that everything is thoroughly incorporated, I turned off the heat, and I'm adding in a squeeze of lime. You don't want to do this on the heat because you won't taste the lime flavor. And then you have the option, you can add it to some shells. I chose to use some almond flour shells here for my sister. And then for myself, I did it on top of a salad, a bed of romaine lettuce, and it was delicious. And you top this off with the pineapple salsa, guys. It is an amazing meal. Very quick, very easy with pantry staples. Give this a shot. Let me know what you think.